Alex was a shy student. He liked to read books and play video games. He did not talk much at school. One day, his school announced a talent show. The talent show was a big event. Many students signed up to show their talents. There would be singing, dancing, magic tricks, and more. Alex's friends, Emily and Jack, wanted him to join the talent show. "Come on, Alex, it will be fun," said Emily. "Yes, you should try," added Jack. Alex was nervous. He did not know what his talent was. "I don't have a talent," he said. "Everyone has a talent," said Emily. "You just need to find yours." Alex was not sure, but he agreed to sign up. He wrote his name on the list. Now he needed to find a talent to show. First, Alex tried singing. He went home and sang in front of the mirror. His voice was not very good. He felt embarrassed. "Singing is not my talent," he thought. Next, he tried dancing. He watched some dance videos online and tried to copy the moves. He tripped over his own feet and fell. "Dancing is not for me," he decided. Then Alex tried magic tricks. He bought a magic kit from the store. He practiced in his room. He could not make the tricks work. "Magic is too hard," he said. Alex felt sad. He still did not know what his talent was. He thought about quitting the talent show, but his friends did not let him give up. "Keep trying, Alex. You will find your talent," said Jack. One day, Alex saw a boy named Tom juggling in the park. Tom was very good. He could juggle 3 balls at the same time. Alex watched in amazement. "Can you teach me to juggle?" he asked Tom. "Sure," said Tom. He gave Alex 2 balls to start. "First, practice with 2 balls," Tom said. Alex tried to juggle, but he kept dropping the balls. "It's okay. Keep practicing," Tom encouraged him. Alex practiced every day after school. At first it was very hard, but Alex did not give up. Slowly he got better. After a week he could juggle 2 balls without dropping them. "Great job, Alex. Now try with 3 balls," Tom said. Alex practiced with 3 balls. It was harder, but he kept trying. He practiced for hours. Finally, he could juggle 3 balls. He was very happy. "I found my talent," he thought. The day of the talent show came. Alex was nervous, but he was also excited. He had practiced a lot. His friends were there to cheer for him. Emily and Jack gave him a big thumbs up. "You can do it, Alex," they said. Alex went on stage. The lights were bright. The audience was silent. He took a deep breath and started to juggle. He juggled 3 balls, then 4 balls. The audience clapped and cheered. Alex felt proud and happy. He had found his talent. After the show, many students came to talk to Alex. "You were amazing," said one student. "Can you teach me to juggle?" asked another. Alex smiled. He had made new friends. Emily and Jack hugged him. "We knew you could do it," they said. Alex was grateful to his friends. They had helped him find his talent and believe in himself. From that day on, Alex was not so shy. He was more confident. He learned that trying new things can be hard, but also fun. And most importantly, he learned to never give up. The talent show was a big surprise for Alex. It showed him that everyone has a talent, even if it takes time to find it. After the talent show, Alex's life started to change. He felt more confident in school and began to talk more with his classmates. He joined a few school clubs, like the art club and the science club. He found out that he liked painting and doing experiments. He was making more friends and enjoying school more. One day, his teacher, Mrs. Johnson, asked him to help with a school project. The project was about finding fun activities for the school fair. Alex thought of juggling. "Maybe I can teach other students to juggle," he said. Mrs. Johnson liked the idea. She asked Alex to lead a juggling workshop at the fair. Alex was nervous but excited. He prepared for the workshop by buying many colourful juggling balls. He practiced his juggling every day to make sure he could show the other students well. On the day of the school fair, many students came to his workshop. They were excited to learn juggling from Alex. Alex started by showing them how to juggle with 2 balls. He showed them how to throw and catch the balls. Some students found it hard and dropped the balls, but Alex encouraged them. "It's okay to make mistakes," he said. "Keep trying and you will get better." The students practiced and started to improve. Some could juggle 2 balls, and a few even tried with 3 balls. They laughed and had fun together. Alex felt happy to see them enjoying juggling. He realized that he liked teaching and helping others. After the fair, Alex continued to teach juggling during lunch breaks. More students joined, and soon there was a small juggling club. Alex was proud of his new club. He liked spending time with his friends and learning new tricks together. One day, Emily and Jack came to Alex with a new idea. "Alex, why don't we put on a juggling show for the whole school?" Emily said. "Yes, it'll be great. We can practice new tricks and perform together," Jack added. Alex liked the idea. He thought it would be fun to perform again, this time with his friends. The juggling club started practicing for the show. They learned new tricks, like juggling with rings and clubs. They practiced making patterns and passing the balls to each other. It was hard work, but they enjoyed it. They laughed a lot and encouraged each other. On the day of the show, the whole school gathered in the auditorium. The juggling club was excited but a little nervous. They wanted to do well and show their new skills. Alex led the group onto the stage. The lights were bright and the audience was quiet, just like the talent show. Alex and his friends started their performance. They juggled balls, rings and clubs. They made patterns and passed the items to each other. The audience clapped and cheered. The juggling club felt happy and proud. They had worked hard and their show was a success. After the show, many students and teachers came to congratulate them. "You were amazing," said Mrs. Johnson. "I'm proud of you, Alex," she added. Alex felt proud of himself and his friends. They had worked together and achieved something great. Alex's journey from being a shy student to a confident performer taught him many things. He learned that everyone has a talent, even if it takes time to find it. He discovered that trying new things can be fun and rewarding. Most importantly, he learned the value of perseverance and friendship. Alex knew that he could achieve anything with hard work and support from his friends. And so, Alex continued to explore new activities and talents. He remained an active member of the juggling club and enjoyed teaching others. He also tried new things, like playing the guitar and writing stories. Alex was no longer afraid to step out of his comfort zone. He knew that with perseverance and support from his friends, he could achieve great things.